Animadvert, the power of sophisticated criticism. Imagine possessing the power to express your disapproval with a single, sophisticated word. Today, we're exploring the verb animadvert, a term that will elevate your vocabulary and help you articulate criticism with precision. Word type. Animadvert is a verb. It's pronounced as an mad-vert with the stress on the third syllable, meaning to animadvert means to comment critically or censure. It's the act of expressing criticism or disapproval, often in a formal or authoritative manner. This word is particularly useful in academic or professional contexts where constructive criticism is valued. Word history. Animadvert has its roots in Latin. It comes from the Latin word animadvertere, which is a combination of animus, meaning mind, and advertere, meaning to turn toward. So, etymologically, it means to turn one's mind or attention to something, often in a critical way. Antonyms. Some antonyms of animadvert include praise, commend, applaud, and endorse. These words represent the opposite action of criticizing or censoring. Synonyms. Synonyms for animadvert include criticize, censure, reprove, rebuke, and remonstrate. These words all involve expressing disapproval, but animadvert often carries a more formal or scholarly tone. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use animadvert in context. The professor animadverted on the student's lack of citations in the research paper. The film critic is known for animadverting on the overuse of special effects in modern cinema. In her role as ethics committee chair, she often animadverts on potential conflicts of interest. The opposition party leader animadverted on the government's economic policies during the debate. Common errors in use. One common mistake when using animadvert is confusing it with similar sounding words like advertise or advert. Remember, animadvert is about criticism, not promotion. Another error is using it too casually in everyday conversation, as it's generally reserved for more formal or academic contexts. Mastering words like animadvert can significantly enhance your vocabulary for the IELTS exam, particularly for the writing and speaking sections. It demonstrates a nuanced understanding of language and the ability to express complex ideas precisely. Practice using this word in your essays and discussions to become more comfortable with its application in various contexts.